So guys, we've been doing this for a while, and this took a break, and I just used my phone, so I just want to record this. So, okay, enjoy. I'm doing. So we've done this a lot of times. Let's get a round of applause.
Oh yeah, the back. Thank you.
So we live in the Philippines. So we're icon. I like to speak American. Yoink it all out. Yoink it all out. These are what the seeds look like. We're just going to blend them in and input because you don't have oh missed. Did you guys see that? Okay, I saw that. What? There was a seed in there. Look, where is the seed? Guys, okay, no, just kidding. No, actually, no, I'll just leave it there. Actually, the big one. This one has a lot of seed. No, okay, never. Wait. Yes. Okay. We're Asian, that's why. My favorite snack is actually my favorite snack is actually American. It's just chocolate. Any chocolate, that would be fine. Or chicken. Did you guys know in the Philippines? Some soldiers who fought in the Japanese war actually had to walk like to Bataan to Talavera and Tarlac. Okay, that's a lot. How are we supposed to play this? 7. Yeah, it's 6. Get another one. Alright, first throw it at the wall. Fire! Bro, broke it. Oh my god, why is there a seed? Try it. Okay, there we go. Marcel, if you're watching this, lumilipad yung mga seed ni Kuya eh.
Kuha ko yung seed mo.
Lipad na lipad yun. Lipad na lipad yung seed ni Kuya, ah.
Don't worry, kukuha ko na.
Ouch, ouch. Look at our mess.
Ay, gosh.
This is our trash can. I don't want that. We actually did do some a long time ago. Oh, I found it. Discovered another seed. So, by 2. Oh yeah. Actually, I should do it in like 3. I should plant this in like 3. Okay. This is to have this video, okay? It's literally 7 minutes long. Okay, I'm just gonna post this, okay? And I'll see you in the next video, part 2. By the way, why is there so much powder? So much powder. Okay. Just gonna clean my mess up, okay? If you guys wanna see the cleaning video, just look. Let's look in my bio. I mean, just... Okay, goodbye.